Imagine standing under a sky filled with stars. The universe feels infinite, eternal, and unchanging. Yet, what if I told you that everything you see, the galaxies, the stars, the very space between them, is not still but moving? The universe is expanding, and with it comes one of the greatest mysteries of existence. What is the ultimate fate of space? It all began 138 billion years ago with the Big Bang. A moment not of fire and explosions, but of creation itself. Space, time, energy, everything burst into existence from a single point smaller than an atom. From that instant, the universe began stretching, expanding faster than the speed of light. Entire galaxies formed, stars ignited, planets took shape, and life began to ask questions about where it all came from. For thousands of years, humans believed the universe was fixed, an unshakable stage for the drama of life. Even Albert Einstein once thought so. He added a constant to his equations just to keep the universe steady. But then, in the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble looked deeper into the cosmos. He found something shocking. Galaxies were rushing away from us. The farther they were, the faster they moved. The universe was not static, it was alive, expanding, stretching. Like a balloon with every passing second. But here is where the mystery deepens. If galaxies are flying apart, what is pushing them? What force is driving this cosmic expansion? At first, scientists believed gravity would slow it down. After all, galaxies and matter pull on each other. Maybe one day the expansion would stop, and the universe would collapse into a big crunch. A fiery end. But in the late 1990s, astronomers, studying distant exploding stars, found something even stranger. The universe is not just expanding, it is accelerating. This meant some invisible, unknown force was pushing galaxies apart, faster and faster. They called it dark energy. A name that holds no answers, only questions. Today, scientists believe nearly 70% of the universe is made of this mysterious energy. Yet no one knows what it is. Could it be a property of space itself? Could it be a new force of nature? Or is it something even stranger, a hint that we live in a multiverse? The implications are terrifying and beautiful. If dark energy keeps pushing galaxies apart, then trillions of years from now, the stars we see will drift out of view. The sky will go dark, leaving only our own galaxy. Then even our galaxy may be torn apart. If the expansion continues to accelerate without limit, space itself may rip apart. Atoms, stars, and black holes in what scientists call the Big Rip. A universe that began with a bang could end in silence. But there are other possibilities. Some theories suggest the acceleration could slow, and the universe might fall back into itself, ending in the Big Crunch. The heat and pressure would be so great that everything would collapse into a single point, only to explode again in a new Big Bang, a cycle of endless births and deaths. Another idea is the Big Freeze. The expansion continues, but not fast enough to rip atoms apart. Stars burn out, galaxies fade, and the universe grows colder and darker until nothing remains, a silent frozen void. And then there is the most mysterious idea of all, the possibility of a multiverse. If space is infinite, then our universe may be just one bubble among countless others, each with its own laws of physics, its own stars, its own forms of life. Maybe the end of our universe is not an end at all, but just one chapter in an infinite cosmic library. As we look deeper into the universe, with telescopes like the James Webb, we are not just seeing distant galaxies, we are seeing back in time. We are searching for clues to understand dark energy, dark matter, and the future of everything. The hidden universe is not only out there in the stars, it is in every unanswered question inside us, too. So what is the fate of space? Will it rip apart into nothingness? Will it collapse into fire? Will it freeze in silence? Or will it give birth to infinite new universes? The truth is, no one knows. But in that mystery lies the greatest adventure. The more we search, the more we realize the universe is not just expanding. It is expanding the boundaries of human imagination. The hidden universe is calling us, and perhaps its ultimate fate is not just about space, but about us. About our hunger to explore, to question, and to never stop reaching for the stars.